Welcome back to the bar. It's been a minute. So, I've been going through the interwebs trying to find some things to do, and apparently if you mix Fireball or Jack Fire with rum chata, you get Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Let's find out. We got our nice and frozen shot glass here. We're going to pop open this Jack. I'm going to go in here about halfway or so. That'll work. Yummy. Way better than Fireball. I'm going to hit it with this rum chata. Top it off with this rum chata. Oh, look at that. That looks like cereal milk. Screw that back on. Give it the finger stir. Yeah. Oh, let's find out. Cheers. Holy shit. What the hell have I been missing in my damn life? Holy shit. Oh, that's an easy 9.5 out of 10 right there. That is just like cereal milk with that Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Follow for more.